Good day, all of you. Today's topic is environmental conservation and biodiversity. Okay, so environmental conservation, you all know the meaning of this, that is preservation of the environment. And now the second word is this biodiversity, means preservation of environment according to the various different species of plants and animal. That means what? We all known that on earth, means on this living world which is present on earth, there were lots of variety of plants and animal. That means it was biodiverse. Now what is happening, that out of which the few species of animal are not being seen today, which we have heard in earlier generation from our ancestor. Now for that there is a need of conservation according to biodiversity, because something was happen in the environment due to which that organism were not able to survive and they have vanished. So it should not be followed in next generation, so for which the biodiversity concept was introduced. Now the biodiversity is the richness of living organism in the nature due to presence of their varieties of organism, and accordingly organism are there, so ecosystem, different ecosystems were also there, and there is a genetic variations also within the species, and due to which the different varieties of new species are, means older one we have to preserve, and also the newer species which we are generated through them should be preserved. Now the biodiversity occurs in three different level. Okay, for understanding better ki which organism we have to preserve, which organism should are less, or likewise they have divided the biodiversity into three levels, or three concept or three parts. Okay, that is, first is genetic diversity. Now what under this they are considering, that occurrence of diversity among the organism of same species is genetic diversity. Understood? Occurrence of diversity among the organisms of same species is genetic diversity. That means the genetic structure is being changed within the same variety of species. For example, we are all known about one organism, that is dog. Okay, but you are seeing that there are various different types of dogs with different genetic structures also, means all the dogs are not looking same. That is the meaning of this, that the occurrence of diversity among the organism of same species is genetic diversity. Example, that each human being is different from other, means I have given the example of dog. Now you can resemble this example with the human being. We are a human being, but the different human being of different area is having some different genetic code, means their height, health, color of the eye, size of the eye, general character are being changed. Even the thinking power, even the habitat, means eating habits are being changed. That is nothing but genetic variation due to the environment surrounding them, or they have changed their habitat. Now possibility of wiping out the species arises in there is decrease in the diversity within the species whose member involved in the sexual reproduction. As they have given the example of human being, there are lots of race which were initially also present and today also they are present. There is no race is available where the human being have been vanished. अंडरस्टूड? ऐसा कोई भी स्पीशी ह्यूमन बीइंग का नहीं बचा जो आज गायब हो गया है. ऐसा इसीलिए क्योंकि ये सारे जो भी वैरायटीज़ थे, इन लोगों में रिप्रोडक्शन जो है, सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन, वो आज भी होता है. इस वजह से ये पर्टिकुलर स्पीशीज़ जो है वो बढ़ती ही जा रही है, कम नहीं हुई. आया ध्यान में? और कोई भी कोई भी पर्टिकुलर ह्यूमन वैरायटी अभी तक गायब नहीं हुई है। तो ये इनका ऐसा बोलना है, इसको बोलते हैं जेनेटिक डाइवर्सिटी। दूसरी टाइप आ जाती है स्पीशीज डाइवर्सिटी। स्पीशीज डाइवर्सिटी, इनन्यूमरेबल स्पीशीज ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म ऑकर्स इन नेचर, अंडरस्टूड, मीन्स देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ डिफरेंट वेराइटी ऑफ स्पीशीज प्रेजेंट इन द नेचर। इनन्यूमरेबल स्पीशीज मीन्स ह्यूमन की स्पीशी नहीं, हर तरह की स्पीशी प्रेजेंट है, प्लांट की बहुत सारी अलग अलग, एनिमल की बहुत सारी अलग अलग, लाइकवाइज, and this is called as species diversity. Species diversity include various types of plants, animals and microbes, ठीक है, that is species. Okay, now that next diversity is ecosystem diversity. Now according to this, many ecosystem are present in each region. Ecosystem you are all aware about. Ecosystem means the way the organism is living, means that is Greenland ecosystem, forest ecosystem, pond ecosystem, river ecosystem, lake ecosystem, air ecosystem, space ecosystem. There are lots of many desert ecosystem, high hill ecosystem, hilly area ecosystem, loamy land ecosystem, seashore ecosystem, means lots of ecosystems are present in each region. According to region, different type of ecosystem are available. Ecosystem is formed through the interaction between plants, animal and their habitat and change in the environment, and each ecosystem has its own characteristic animal, plant, microbes and biotic factor. Ecosystem are also of two types, that's are natural and artificial. That we have discussed. Natural means which is in nature, and artificial means that we have prepared a pond, we have prepared the fishery, we have aquarium in our house, that we are maintaining. Such type of ecosystem which is being made by man and maintained by us is known as artificial ecosystem, understood. So likewise there are three type of ecosystem, means we have divided the biodiversity into three types of character, that is genetic diversity, species diversity and ecosystem diversity.